drops a ton of green cubes, and it looks like Ramen Noodles is immediately going for those reds, knocking them off the post. Mr. Olata getting a ton of green cubes off of that goal. And it looks like Ramen Noodles is going for that low zone.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Mr. Olata shooting a ton of cubes. Up your intake into the goal. You may now switch drivers. Ramen Noodles trying to clear out all these cubes from the zone. 25 seconds left. He wants to switch drivers.
We could have grabbed more together.
Ramen Noodles is getting a ton of these cubes out of the zone. There's 15 seconds left. Mr. Olata trying to get another goal.
85.
10 seconds left. We'll see if any of these teams can get the park.
And we need one more right here.
Ramen Noodles going for the full mark.
Hey, Cody, is there one more?
And it looks like Mr. Olata gets the mark. All right. Moving on to qualification match number 75. I have 6-2-0-2.